Hello, welcome guys in my tutorial where I will show you how to earning by invest TRX on website TronLB. You have link in the description. You here earning by invest, and you have also here cloud mining and other option like inviting friends and getting reward. Okay, so first you must register. You have here, you must write mobile phone, you must write login password here again, but when you do it, you click register. I have account, so I click back login, and I must login. Okay, wait a second. Okay, after register, you have here window, and you have here option like recharge, withdraw, team, partner, points, mail, daily gift, game activity. Okay, I will tell you something more about TronLB. The latest Tron mine in 2022, the best time to invest, registration URL. TronLB.com is a global cloud mining and computing data smart mining machine company. Its business units focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets. We currently operate our proprietary data center at Hardin, MT, with a maximum power of 105 megawatts. The company has 816 cutting edge ASIC mining machines, abundant funds, and professional TRX mining income, ensuring that every customer has a stable income every day. No loss and zero investment risk. There are three ways in which TronLB.com platform can invest and make money. Okay, so back you have here option like trade. You have cloud mining. Cloud mining is working plus 5% every day. Here you have here option like invest. You have daily rate 10% to USDT, even more. Cycle day you have 2 months, 45 day, 1 month, half year. You have also TRX 20 day, 13 TRX. When you give more day, you get a higher rate. Okay. You have also option here like share. Here like share, you may invite other friends and earn reward. Okay, and here you have mine, and you have here option to deposit and withdraw. Okay, deposit is looking like this. Investment is divided into two modes. Recharge into the basic account and receive income according to the Singapore time zone after 24 o'clock every day. Recharge into the investment account, you can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. Note: before investing, please choose a basic account or an investment account. To invest according to your investment needs, please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is a very critical issue. Okay, so you click transfer to basic account. I will show you. Now you must click copy link, and you choose Binance or others which you have. Okay, login. Wait a second. Okay, now we searching wallet. Others after login. Okay, TRX. Now you click on withdraw, and here you must past address. Wait a second, I must waiting 2 minutes. Okay, and now I can paste address. Okay, and now you set 11 because one TRX is to fee as withdraw, and then TRX is required to activate the TronLB. If you want, you may withdraw more. Okay, you click withdraw, and when you did it, after 5 minutes, you get tutaj here deposit, as you can see, and the withdraw is looking that you must pass withdrawal address, withdrawal limit. This is for security, and it are daily bonuses, and security code. Okay. I today withdraw. Okay. You may withdraw every day. Every day you may withdraw TRX. And that's all. So thanks for watching. You leave like and subscribe. You have link in the description. If you have any question, you have a link to the Telegram group. And that's all. Bye bye and see you next time. At this moment is so many active users. And that's all. Thanks. Bye bye.